So hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can bake random quotes API using Node.js and Express. So I am having a quotes.json file and its size is of 16.8 MB. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it is an array of objects where each object consists of quote, author and genre, and it has many quotes. Now let's build it from scratch, and I will name it as random quotes API and put this quotes.json file in this folder. Now I will open this folder in Visual Studio Code, and this is Visual Studio Code where I will be making Node.js application. So let's start. Now I will be creating a new file, server.js. First we are going to build package.json file and using the command npm init. Here is the package name, random quotes API, and version is 1.0.0, and description is random quotes API. Entry point will be server.js and leave other as it is. So now we have package.json file. So first we are going to include quotes array from quotes.json file to server.js file. So let's do it. We are going to use const and quotes, then require is an inbuilt function in Node.js, and we will require quotes.json file. Now we have array of objects in quotes variable where each object consists of quote, author and genre, as we have already discussed, but we don't know the size of these quotes array. So let's detect its size. So we will console.log quotes.length, length. Now we will save it and we will open the terminal. Then we will run our application using node and then server, and now we know its size. So its size is 75,966, as you can clearly see it. Now we will download two packages, and they are express and cors. So the command is npm i-s express and cors. So these packages are downloading, and where npm stands for node package manager, I is install and -s is save, and cors is cross origin resource sharing. So then we will include cors and express module here. Const express is equals to require express, and const cors is equals to require cors. So Express is a Node.js framework designed to build APIs, web applications, cross-platform mobile apps quickly and make Node.js easily. Now we will put an Express application in an variable. Const app is equals to express, and then it is an express function. So express function is called, and then it returns an express application where it is stored in a constant variable named as app, and app will denote the express object. In order to enable cross origin resource sharing, we will use cors. So app.use and then cors. So now we are going to store length of the quotes array in a variable. So let quotes length length is equals to quotes dot length, Then we are going to use get function app.get and path. Then we will use callback function require comma response and send the quotes length and save it. The app.get function routes the HTTP GET request to the path which is being specified with the specified callback functions. Now finally we are going to build our random quotes API application with the help of Express. So let's declare a variable random quote index. Then we are going to get a random index. Random quote index is equals to math dot random. So math.random function returns a random number between 0 to 1, and then we are going to multiply it with quotes length. So the number will be between 0 to quotes length. It will be in between 0 to quotes length. So to get an integer, we will do its OR with 0. So now we have random quote index and we got it from math.random into quotes.length and OR with 0. Now let's send a random quote from 75,966 objects. QU quotes random quote index and save it. As you can see, now we will start our server. It send us a quote, an author and a genre, where the quote is buy with your heart not your head. You can look at all the aspects that make a purchase practical, and when we refresh this site, we will get a different quote. So randomly we are getting quotes from many different quotes. So you can use this API now by deploying it to a server. So from many 76,000 it is randomly retrieving some codes, and look how cool it is, and it is free. For reference, I have uploaded its code on GitHub and also deployed it on Vercel app. So here you can reference it, and when you refresh each time it will retrieve a random code, as you can see. So this was random quote API, and I have deployed it using vercel.json file, as you can see, and you can refer it from GitHub. So I have shared it in the YouTube description. Thank you for watching.